are going to debate on the topic honesty is the best policy. According to me, yes, honesty is the best policy because honesty build trust to everyone, and honesty people respected in everywhere and also society. Honest an honest student becomes a good citizen and a good student also. So honesty brings our life success and respectful. So honest um, every people becomes honest is very important because with this honesty we can't anything properly. With honesty we can't everywhere everywhere good because people trust easily honest people. So and they are easily trust your work and your thinking also. So so my thinking honesty is very important in our life, and so honesty is best policy according to me.
According to me, honesty is best policy. Honest, honesty is telling truth. It means sincere in our actions. Uh, honesty, sometimes telling truth. It's difficult, uh, but always honesty is better for life. So honest people always respect anywhere, like families, school, society. So honesty is the best policy.
Yes, I always disagree with this policy. Honesty is the best policy. This statement, honesty is the best policy. Because of we are say we say anywhere we say truth to any time to any person. So it may get hurt many times because of their expectation is different when we say truth, but it may get hurt to many people. So that perspective we can sell we can sell lie and that situation only. And after that sometimes in business perspective we the people say lie because of if they are going to say on truth only, so that time the business will collapse that time only. So and also many businessmen and leaders many times say the lies only because of it is a way of growing only because of you always say the truth only. So that time uh, the the ways goes to success. uh, that time the ways will blockage or blocked that time. So honesty is the best, but sometimes uh, we can lie in some situation also, and for life saving like that. If there are there is fighting anywhere, so that time people are also use lie words. So it is good that that situation, but based on situation, not we are talking always lies. But based on situation is protect ourselves and our business and our growth also. So I am totally not agree for that statement. Honesty is best policy. Honesty is the good, but not included in policy also. Okay.
I believe honesty is one of the most important value in our life. A honest people trust and respect everyone. According to me, I'm a student. My opinion is a honest student never cheated anyone and never cheating in
Never cheat anyone.
never cheat in anyone and never cheat in exams. That's why he achieve them goals very easily and his future is very bright. Honesty build a good relationship with the family and friends. Family and friends. It gives us a good character and a peaceful mind. Is my opinion.
Okay.
You told many businessmen people use telelie.
Yes.
But that is not good because honesty brings success every time. But dishonesty brings success in sometimes. So honesty people always say the truth and with honesty with people because people trust. People trust always good people and also their nature also. But that's time business also run with our honesty because we uh, we we uh, we are good behavior to others. We also support us. So that's time honesty is very important.
Honesty is important. Is I am not telling honesty is not important. That is, I am against our policy. Honesty is the best policy. The statement is not true anywhere because of sometimes businessmen also telling lies.
But
That
that
time,
but
because
that
of
people not trust also businessman or
No, no.
shopkeeper also because trust people
now
also
nowadays
means,
all the
trust-
stores they are pasting their price only 100,000 or 2,000 only. But they are
any
it is not correct, na?
suppose
It
any
is also telling lies with
suppose
us.
any shopkeeper tell a lie with people
Will
then-
anyone go there?
So everyone
so
not
everyone
going the shopkeeper.
another
Because trust is
shopkeeper because trust is
That
very
is the
important.
business only, na? They told you this is the price only, but I will give you discount 50%. But it is telling lies, and people get affected from that offer only and take from
Many places
take the-
discount are not there.
from there.
Many small villages are small villages only price are important. So many poor people
No, but
trust
that time
shopkeeper
the
and
people
also
influence from
take
their
any
policy
items
only.
also.
They are telling lies and pasted the price on 100 rupees and give you to get offer 50%. So people get affected for that offer and give to the going to that shopkeeper only. And
I'm not
many leaders in India are telling lies 90%.
Why
And
telling
going-
lies?
So that's why na, telling lies, so that's why it is only growth only. If you are always telling truth, so your growth become down, not is up. So in nowadays,
you
So we are doing that one, but after the completion of their time period of any leaders, so things are not completing that time only, completed that time. So this is telling lies, na? But people are
But telling
they
lies-
influence the
but
people
telling
and
lies-
yes, I will do everything. I will develop the infrastructure. But after the gone after 5 years, there is no any.
But telling a
This is
lie
telling lie, na?
but telling
But
a
they are
lie
also
some
growing.
place is good, but everywhere is telling a lie and every people trust not you because you telling every time lie and
No,
also
trust-
not
Trust is different thing, but you become a very top
trust is
leader, or we are going
trust
to.
is
when
trust
you
is
are
very
uptight.
important.
Sometimes
Trust
telling
is
lie,
very
Yes.
important.
it's normal. But every time lie, it's not a good.
Yes.
No person telling lies depend on situation only, not all time. But
Yeah,
because
situation is-
we are going to
But
telling truth only all time.
but honest
So our
people
system is
survive.
collapsed.
But honest people survive all the place.
But they can survive
but
only, not only like
No,
only
no,
wrong
no,
only.
no,
They can
honest guy,
survive
no,
only.
no, no,
honest,
No, yeah.
honesty also honesty also
Surviving.
honesty also honesty also see our life very easy because honesty honesty is a medium of our life because without honesty I can't anything. I can't
But
anything
nowadays
with home
money,
and also
but nowadays money
outside
matter.
also.
All
Outside
person
also.
are taking or earning the money only. But if we are always say the truth, so we can't take the money from any influence or any person only.
But you,
Because we
but
are
you
going
can truth
You are
you
every
no,
day you are
can
going
truth
to
you achieve all
but
the-
it
you
will take
achieve
more
everything.
time. It will take more time.
Being
to-
true. Being
Being
true.
true.
You
Yeah.
can truth. Being true, you can achieve
Achieve
anything.
everything.
So it will take more time
every day
compared
you
to
are
the
going,
lying person only.
every
Lying
day
people,
you are going office.
lying people
Complete your work.
means-
Are you saying? Are you telling not done your work?
No, more time. They are asking me what is the status. Sir, I am working on it because I have another work. But I am telling lie because of that. If I am not
Suppose
working,
you
so they
tell-
complain me and they fired also. So that
Suppose
time
you
many
tell-
person are
You
no
told
no
na
issue.
so many
It
months.
is
Suppose
situation
you
na.
tell-
He understand. He
Yes.
understand.
No one is understand.
Suppose you telling telling
If
lie.
you are working in service company na, 99% people were telling lies only. Because we are just we are working. So whoever is asking, whoever asking you, it is also cool. Yes, our job is going on and working on like that. Or you deny that I am not working, I have no time. What are you doing?
Suppose
And
you
more burden to
suppose
you.
you suppose you telling a lie
So that-
in your family. So your children, your also family member trust easily. with
I
you.
said that telling lies
They
is based on
also- they
situation
also-
only, not all the time.
They
If you
also-
are telling all the time, your system will be collapsed. Wildlife in your family also and education.
But your
Because
family
also
also
always
feeling
telling
good
lies,
with
your
honesty.
system always
Not a
collapse.
telling a lie. Your family also feeling good with honesty, not a telling a lie in every time.
No, who can know? She is telling me all truths or wrong or right.
Because they are believe you. So that
Believe-
time honesty is very important.
They
Sometime-
believe you. They are believing you. Yeah. Difference. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I disagree with your
Statement.
No,
Yeah.
no, okay. I agree honesty is the best policy, but sometimes
You tell
Sometimes-
honesty is good, but not
honesty
policy.
is good, yeah,
No,
not policy.
honesty is
Because we don't say truth in all the time.
I know, but in some situation you tell a lie.
And
But
you-
every
You also
situation
did
you
same
tell-
things, and you also.
No.
No, yes.
Sometimes telling lie it's better, but always tell a lie it's not a good.
No, I said also that na. It is based on situation only. But always we are saying truth only. So our system will be goalless. So any of personal or that leaders or education students or like that.